Mr. Yalbuzia,
Yeah, so
what's up with the new track? I heard it's crazy, fam. You're killing them, bro.
yeah, I'm killing the shit. It's like I entered the studio and the nigga asked me, "Can you sing?" I was like, I can do the shit because it's from my hood. And if you forget about the hood will forget about you. So
Cool.
if you heard that the shit is white, it's shit.
It's cool, cool. And what's that you're holding, bro?
It's a new iPad. I just bought it from the hood.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Mhm.
That's it. Yeah.
Some crazy shit, bro.
It's crazy. You can
Yeah.
even check it out. You
Damn.
everything. You just work it out.
Wow.
I didn't need to show it, but
Yeah.
it's cool, bro.
That's G shit, man. G shit. So when's the new single coming out or anything, bro?
I've done a track with a few featuring Kwakese, a Ghanaian rapper. It's coming out. We're doing it. So you see that shit right
Big
now.
things, bro. Big things, huh?
Big things.
Yeah, mad respect, bro. Mad respect.
Yeah.
So, what's up? Any new dances? Any new things?
Yeah, it's like people are forming a Zonto. If you go to UK, I have my cousin there, Trevor Mas, he's doing Trevor Shank.
Yeah.
And I want to form mine. I won't give you the name yet, but
Yeah.
check it out. It's going to be
Cool.
bro.
Any sample?
It's like it goes something like this. Let me put my shit down.
Yeah.
And I do it. It's like I copied something from a Samoa Jan. He was one time a hustler on the street of Wenchi.
Cool. A friend of yours?
Yeah, it's not my mate, but like a family friend.
Oh, okay.
Maybe just go something like this. Then you go, you hide. I don't want to launch it.
Yeah.
If you come, niggas won't see. They've seen it already.
Yeah.
So I want to hide it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? When it drop down, they'll see the shit.
Done now.
Yeah.
Boss.
Yeah.
That's Yalbuzia for you guys.
Yeah.
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 Anything to say at the end or what did you
I
say?
just want to have my niggas,
Yeah.
Romualdo, Obumpa Records, Friction,
Yes.
the late Friction, Ashes,
Yes.
Feathers, Frexy, Pasolo on the wing side, all the niggas in my hood, because if you forget the hood might forget about you.
Yes.
So I won't shit out. I know you got my back, you pray for me,
Yeah.
and I'll be here.
Keep it real. Keep it real.